Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are starting exercise number 17.2. In question number 1 we have to draw the bisectors of a given triangle ABC whose lengths of sides are given as you can see. Measurement AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, measurement BC is equal to 3.1 centimeters and measurement CA is equal to 5.2 centimeters. It's your choice to take any one of these line segments as base. I am taking AC as the base of the triangle. So let's start our work. Measurement AC 5.2 centimeters. AC 5.2 centimeters. Now side BC is equal to 3.1 centimeters. Adjust the legs of your compass at 3.1 centimeters. And taking C as center, mark an arc. Again adjust the legs of compass at 4.5 centimeters. And with center A and radius 4.5 centimeters, mark the arcs which cuts the previous one at point B. The formation of triangle you have already learnt about it, so there is no need to write the steps of construction of the formation of triangle. Here we will write here given in triangle ABC, measurement AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, measurement BC is equal to 3.1 centimeters and measurement CA is equal to 5.2 centimeters. Now what is required? We are required to draw the bisectors of its angles and to verify their congruency. To draw the bisectors of angle A, comma, angle B and angle C. Also to verify their congruency, CONCURRENCY. So we will draw the bisectors of angle A, B and C. We have already learned while forming the angles of different measurements. Mark arc of any radius with center A, B and C. Now focus the points to draw the bisector of angle A. Here we have the bisector of angle A. Steps of construction. Number 1, draw AX, ray AX, comma, the bisector of angle A. Repeating the procedure. Draw the bisector of angle C. Ray CY. Step number 2, draw CY, ray CY, comma, the bisector of angle C, comma, but this time ray CY is intersecting AX at a point which we will name as O. Draw CY, the bisector of angle C, cutting or intersecting ray AX at point O. This is the point O. Now we have to draw the third bisector of angle B. Open the legs of compass as convenient. Draw the bisector of angle B which passes through point O. Step number 3, draw ray BZ, comma, the bisector of angle B, comma, passing through point O. All the three angle bisectors are passing through a same point, so O is the point of concurrency of the angle bisectors and it is called in center. This point O is called in center. The point of concurrency of angle bisectors is called in center. Question is complete. Now the next two parts you will do yourself. Allah Hafiz.